So 2015 paper 2 question 4. So you have two circles, the circle S and the circle C, and they touch internally at the point B as shown. You're asked, the first thing is to write down the coordinates of the centre of S. So the centre of S is, change sign in front of the -1, so it's going to be 1 minus 6. And the radius of S is the square root of 360, which is going to be square root of 36 by 10, which is 6 root 10. Now the point K is the centre of the circle C. The radius of C is 1/3 the radius of S. So the radius of C is 1/3 the radius of S. So the radius of C is 1/3 of 6 root 10. So the radius of C is 2 root 10. Find the coordinates. The coordinates of B are 7, 12. So B is 7, 12. Find the coordinates of K. So that's what we're looking for in the middle. So we'll call that X, Y. We don't know it. We know that this point here, the centre of S is 1 minus 6. Now, if you draw a line from here to here, you can see that that point K is dividing the line from the centre of S to the point B in a ratio, and it's internal division. Now, if you can find, you know that the BK, which is the radius of circle K, is 2 root 10. We also know that the radius of S is 6 root 10. So to find this distance here, we take 6 root 10 minus 2 root 10. So that distance is 4 root 10. So now we're going to be able to find our ratio. So the ratio is 4 root 10 is to 2 root 10, which is 4 is to 2, as the root 10s cancel, which is 2 is to 1. So that'll be your A is to B in your internal division formula. Okay, so these are the points that we're going to use. So this is going to be our X1, Y1, and here is going to be our X2, Y2. And our internal division of a line formula from the log tables is BX1 plus AX2 all over B plus A, and BY1 plus AY2 all over B plus A, and filling that in. So our B is 1 by X1 is 1 plus our A is 2 by X2, which is 7, and that's all over B plus A, which is 1 plus 2. And then we have 1 by minus 6 plus 2 by 12 divided by 1 plus 2, which works out as 15 over 3 and 18 over 3, which breaks down to 5, 6, which is the point K. Now, part 2 of B asks you to find the equation of C. Okay, so remembering that that point K, 5, 6, is the centre of C, and we know that the radius of C is 2 root 10. So our formula X minus H all to be squared plus Y minus K all to be squared is equal to R squared. So it's X minus, remember that 5, 6, this is H and this is K. So it's X minus 5 all to be squared plus Y minus 6 all to be squared is equal to 2 root 10 squared. So it's X minus 5 squared plus Y minus 6 squared. And you have 2 squared, which is 4, 4 by 10, which is 40. And that is the equation of the circle C.